It's an environment that I've built for building visual modules using web technologies like WebGL or P5, Three.js, and then composing those into reactive audiovisual scenes. I've been using the software to perform at demos and exhibitions for the past few years. As the development phase now reaches its half-life, I'm deciding to open source the project with the hopes that people can jump in and have a play around and even contribute to it. You can create a file and put together anything you like. It could be a basic HTML shape or a complex WebGL point cloud instance. Once that class is ready, you can run the software and it will open two windows. The composer is where we're going to build up our audio-visual scene. So the software reacts to incoming signals. Right now it supports MIDI and OSC. If I switch over to the Ableton session, we can add a note for C on Octave 0. This is already mapped to channel 1 in the New World software. If I switch back over to Ableton and press play, we can see it's playing the note C0, and that for every instance of our MIDI note, the method that we selected is triggering. So that is it. That is the base concept, and where we go from here is where it starts to get really interesting, because now we can combine any variation of modules and methods and signals, and it's a great way of combining web technologies without the downsides of cross-pollination. The key part here is because it's just interacting with individual opinionated class files, those files serve as their own ecosystem. The software handles the input and then the user controls the output.